For sale, 2026 Peterbilt 536 Summit 10,620 mechanic truck with crane, welder, and compressor. The 2026 Peterbilt 536 is a premium medium-duty service truck designed for fleet maintenance, utility, and field repair operations. It is powered by a PACCAR PX-7 6.7-liter diesel engine, producing 260 horsepower, and paired with an Allison 2500 RDS 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring proven strength and reliability. With a GVWR of 26,000 pounds and a 154-inch wheelbase, it is configured for non-CDL operation while delivering robust load handling capacity. The truck is built on a single rear axle rated at 18,000 pounds and a 10,000-pound front axle, supported by air ride suspension and a 50-gallon fuel tank for extended operational range. Outfitted with a 13-foot Summit Mechanics on service body, this unit features a Summit 10,620 telescopic crane with a maximum lifting capacity of 10,000 pounds and a 20 feet 9 inches maximum side reach. The crane is operated by wireless radio remote control and stabilized by 2 hydraulic outriggers for safe, efficient lifting. Additional equipment includes a Hobart Champion Elite 225 welder and generator, providing welding output up to 225 amps, and multiple power outlets, 120 volts, duplex, NEMA 650, and NEMA 1450 for field service versatility. A Doosan VHP 40 hydraulic air compressor adds further utility, supporting pneumatic tools and job site demands. The cab is appointed with an all-power interior, air ride seating, and an engine brake for added control and driver comfort. Finished in white with a black interior, the truck combines durability with a clean, professional presentation. Still covered under factory warranty, it offers peace of mind and operational security for buyers. This 2026 Peterbilt 536 with Summit 10620 service body is a turnkey solution for contractors, municipalities, and utility providers requiring a heavy-duty service truck with integrated crane, welder, and compressor capabilities. Available at Truck and Van Outlet.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership. Because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet, Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.